Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I am making very delicious but healthy recipe. I am making banana chocolate chip muffins. No butter, oil or grease needed in this recipe. We are just adding bananas and to enhance the flavor, chocolate chips. You all know without the chocolate chips, no recipe is complete in this house. So let's go and make it happen. First for this recipe, I'm lining muffin tray with the springy thin cute cupcake liners. Then I took a large mixing bowl and I'm mashing some very ripe bananas with the help of fork until they are completely mashed. Then I'm adding an egg, milk on room temperature. Then I'm adding some brown sugar and white granulated sugar. If you want to make it more healthier, you can add some coconut sugar as well with the help of whisk. Just mix until this mixture is completely combined. Then I took another mixing bowl, add some all-purpose flour, salt, and baking soda. Mix them very well as well. Now all this flour mixture will go in this banana batter. Now with a very light hand, with the help of wooden spoon or the spatula, mix until flour is completely mixed with the banana mixture. Please do not overmix, otherwise our muffins will get tough. Now I'm adding my favorite ingredient, chocolate chips, and some chopped walnuts. If you want, you can skip the walnuts in this recipe. Fold everything well, then take our prepared muffin tray and then with the help of ice cream scoop or like I'm doing, take 2 spoons and transfer your batter into your 12 muffin cavities. Then sometimes your muffin tray get dirty, so take a piece of paper towel and wipe that off. Otherwise, this batter will get burned and you don't smell the nice stuff. I am preheating my oven on 350 degrees and baking my muffins for at least 20 minutes or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. After the muffins are completely done, I took it off and leave it on the counter for a while. Then I transfer all those muffins onto a wire rack until they are completely cooled down. But remember, the warm muffins with a cup of milk are heaven on earth.
Can I have one more, Mom? And some milk, please.
You can serve this muffin as an after-school snack or school snack for party, any Thai tea or brunch, or if you have any bananas which are going bad. So just go right away and make these banana muffins. If you are trying this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.